This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Lexus RX 350 Key Fob, updated. Start by sliding the release latch and pulling out the mechanical key, then use a thin, flat tool to pry the seam gently. Work around the edges with steady pressure until the shell separates. Remove the battery and note orientation before replacing. Reassemble by snapping the halves back together and reinserting the mechanical key. Test buttons to confirm operation. Use a small flathead screwdriver and a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Start at the seam near the release tab to get proper leverage. Keep a clean surface to work on and wash hands if oily. Handle the battery carefully and avoid shorting contacts. If the fob resists, pause and check for hidden screws or clips before forcing it open. Replacing the battery promptly prevents lockouts and expensive dealership visits. After replacing the battery, align the circuit board and battery correctly, matching polarity markings. Press the halves together starting at the clip side and work toward the release tab to avoid gaps. Reinsert the mechanical key and ensure it locks in place. Test each button from a few feet away to confirm remote lock, unlock, and trunk functions. If any function fails, reopen and check contacts and battery seating. Repeat if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.